In this video, we're going to talk about surface preparation for rubber roof surfaces. So that's EPDM. I've got two different types of EPDM here. They're both scrap pieces. But what we're going to do is show you what you want to do to properly clean those surfaces before you apply the 4EvaSeal multi-purpose tape to do a roof repair. So these products, when they're new, they have this powdery surface. When they're old, they'll have more of a dirty, chalky surface that'll be present up on a roof. Either way, you need to clean that surface and have a nice clean surface before you apply the tape. The way you clean it is you're going to use solvent and a rag, and you're going to want to wipe that surface clean to try and remove that residue. And you can see how where I'm wiping, it's cleaning that white powdery residue off, and it's leaving a nice clean black piece of rubber to apply our tape to. I'll do the same on this smooth piece of EPDM here. So once the surface is clean, you can then apply the 4EvaSeal tape to the rubber roof. So you're going to apply the tape to the clean surface. Here I'm starting at edge, and I'm going to pull the release liner as I go. And then once the release liner is out, you do want to use a roller to make sure you have full contact between the tape and the surface, and then work out any air bubbles if they're present. So once the tape is installed, if you tried to peel it off, you can see that you're pulling the adhesive apart. We do have adhesive residue left on the EPDM. It is difficult to remove, but it bonds much more aggressively to a clean surface than it would to this powdery surface you see up here.